We're back at it. We're installing an indoor garden today for the kindergarten class, and I am super pumped to meet the little gardeners, little botanists, I should say, and this new school.
Are we keeping these?
Yeah, that's your classroom kit.
What's this?
That's a cameraman to take a photo and video of your garden.
Hey friends, Bristol Joseph here, and this is a tea talk. I have my tea, and peppermint tea is one of my favorites. While we're sipping on tea, or if you're sipping on your coffee, you're more than welcome to do so while you watch this episode. And today I just want to share with you and bring you along on the journey on an exciting, very exciting indoor garden workshop. And this is part of the classroom indoor gardening initiative that I've done right here in Ottawa. And the goal is really to bring you in. And as I rewatch this video and as I put these moments together, it excites me so much. And the goal here is to really bring you within the experience. And so if you're an educator, I want to show you why you want the indoor garden initiative in your school this fall. And this workshop is beyond just a sensory fun activity. It's really to help bring nature within the built environment and bring nature within the environment that children needs and are in for a long period of time. And the research are there that being connected to nature and being in proximity to plant, having the visual connection to plants lower our cortisol level. And so in such environments such as the education system and where students are there to learn and to thrive, it's still a very long day for a child. And so having that connection, having that break and allowing that connection to nature within their own classroom has all the positive benefits that you can only imagine. So it's not about soil, about seedling. It's really about connection with the children, connection with your child, and the connection that your child will have towards nature and how that reciprocates versus how that reciprocates in their relationship with others and their community. The idea and the goal, or I should say the mission behind my first ABC book of Houseplants, is if you have the chance to hold a book in your hands and kind of flip through, you see it's more like a resource book. It's not a storybook. And it's broken down by learning the alphabets. And so indoor gardens give children a chance to care for something living daily. And so the idea behind the indoor garden initiative is that I am the facilitator and the children are the one who are actually doing the workshop. They are doing everything from the very beginning, setting up the planter. And I explained to them, why do we have pool noodles in the planter? And they start learning about soil and different horticulture mediums and how to mix different horticulture mediums and why are we mixing these horticulture mediums? How does it benefit our plants? And what type of plants might prefer more drainage than others? And then we have the planting team. And so the planting team really helps prepare houseplants for the interior, or I should say tropical plants for the interior space. And now these plants have been in shipment and they're among a lot of other plants. And so pests and diseases and dust and debris and everything are probably covered in these plants. And so how do we prepare these beautiful tropical plants to thrive in our indoor space, and in their case, in their classroom, and provide the maximum benefit? And so if the plant is a plant that cleans the air, then how do we prepare the plant in order for it to do its work? And the last team, I love this team because this team recreates the plant's environment. And so throughout the workshop, we learn about the native origin of each plant. And again, this is an important factor, and the children pick up on that, and the students pick up on that. And so, for example, the aloe vera, they know that the Arabian Peninsula is a little bit more rocky and sandy environment. And so we're going to add some river stone to recreate its environment. And it's an interactive way of providing leadership to students and leadership and ownership to these students. And so not only that they were able to put this indoor garden together, but they're able to tangibly care for it. And not to mention that they actually name their indoor garden, which was such a beautiful and special moment to witness. One teacher was extremely excited, and she said, I've never seen my students be so excited about a workshop before. And this is a special one because they have an indoor garden for their class. And she thanked me. And that was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful moment.